The lion, large, powerfully built cat, which is second in size only to a tiger, sometimes called the king of the beast, the lion has been one of the best known wild animals since earlier times. Lions are most active at night and live in a variety of habitats, but prefer grassland, savanna, and open woodlands. In this video, you will be checking out 8 of the most unique lions in the world. The first is Cape lion. This is the second largest and heaviest of lion subspecies. The Cape lion weighed over 600 pounds and was 1.5 times larger than the average African lion. Distinguished by its thick black mane and gold fringe around its face, the big cat was known to grow up to 11 feet long and weighed up to 500 pounds. The type specimen of the Cape lion was described as very large with black-edged ears and a black mane extending beyond the shoulders and under the belly. Cape lions preferred to hunt large ungulates including antelopes, but also zebras, giraffes and buffaloes. They would also kill donkeys and cattle belonging to the European settlers. Man-eating Cape lions were generally old lions with bad teeth, according to Ahuin Hogner in his South African Mammals. The Cape lion is big enough to scare elephants and eat them. They were known to be known wanderers, either cast out or choosing not to live in prides. The second breed of lion we will be reveling in this video is the white lion. Few years ago, wildlife guides at a game reserve in South Africa came upon a glance they never expected, a rare white lion cub in the wild. While watching a male lion sleeping near a river, a field guide at the reserve heard the call of a young cub coming from a nearby thicket. White lions have a rare recessive trait that causes their white skin coloration. Unlike albino animals that lack pigmentation, white lions, having a rare gene, produces lighter pigmentation. Whereas albinos have pink or red coloration to their eyes and noses, white lions have blue or gold eyes, black features on their noses, eyeliner, and dark patches behind their ears. Male white lions may have white, blonde, or pale hair in their manes and on the ends of their tails. White lions are carnivores, and they eat a variety of herbivorous animals, like cattle, deer, elephant, goat, zebra, buffalo, camels, etc. They hunt gazelles, zebras, buffaloes, wild hares, tortoises, and wildebeests. They have sharp teeth and claws that allow them to attack and kill their prey. They hunt by stalking their prey in packs, patiently waiting for the right time to strike. These lions typically kill their prey by strangulation and the pack consumes the carcass at the site of the kill. The biggest threat to white lions is uncontrolled trading and hunting of lions. Trophy hunting of dominant males of prides has reduced the gene pool from all corners, from around the world, making white lion occurrences much rarer. The third on this list is the Transvaal lion. One of the more unique species of lions are the Transvaal lion. Named after the Transvaal region of Africa where they were found, this breed of lion looks different than others on first sight. Also known as the Kalahari lion. The Transvaal lions live throughout southern Africa, from Namibia in the west to Mozambique in the east and ranging into South Africa. These lions mainly live in semi-arid grasslands and the savanna. As with all other members of the cat family, Transvaal lions are carnivores that feed on herbivorous mammals such as zebra, wildebeests, and warthogs. They also might attempt to hunt larger prey, such as the Cape buffalo, white rhino, and the South African giraffe. Transvaal lions are about the average size for lions, with males averaging 330 to 450 pounds. Females are smaller than males at 243 to 401 pounds, and on average, Transvaal lion is smaller than other lion species females. The rare white lion comes from the Transvaal subspecies. These lions originate from a recessive genetic color mutation that leads to leucism. Though the mutation is to the same gene that causes albinism. Leucistic lions are not albino because they still have colored eyes. Due to their rarity, white lions are found mostly in captivity and zoos where they are bred for their distinctive colorings. For decades it was thought that these lions, considered divine by some in the province of Limpopo, could not survive in the wild. However, few years ago, a pride of white lions was released into their natural habitat and have thrived ever since. The next, which happens to be the fourth on this list, is the Barbary lion. The Barbary lion, also called the North African lion, is an extinct population of the lion subspecies. It lived in the mountains and deserts of the Barbary coast of North Africa, from Morocco to Egypt. It was eradicated following the spread of firearms and bounties for shooting lions. A comprehensive review of hunting and sighting records revealed that small groups of lions may have survived in Algeria. Barbary, or Atlas lions, were once known to roar through the deserts of northern Africa, often found from Morocco to Egypt. They were the largest of the lion subspecies, admired for their dark manes and known to have been once kept by royal families of Morocco and other northern African nations. You might know these lions best as ones that battled gladiators in ancient Roman Colosseum, as well as being displayed at many European zoos. Like many other recently extinct mammals, the Barbary lion has a distinctive historical pedigree. Medieval Britons had an especial fondness for this big cat. During the Middle Ages, Barbary lions were kept in the menagerie at the Tower of London, and these big man-beasts were star attractions at swanky British hotels. In the latter part of the 19th century, while the species was being hunted to extinction in northern Africa, Britain's surviving Barbary lions were transferred to zoos. In northern Africa, even in historical times, Barbary lions were prized gifts, sometimes being offered in lieu of taxes to the ruling families of Morocco and Ethiopia. Results of a DNA research revealed in 2006 that a lion kept in the German zoo Neuwied originated from this collection and is very likely a descendant of a Barbary lion. 5 lion samples from this collection were not Barbary lions maternally. Nonetheless, genes of the Barbary lion are likely to be present in common European zoo lions, since this was one of the most frequently introduced subspecies. Many lions in European and American zoos, which are managed without subspecies classification, are most likely descendants of Barbary lions. Several researchers and zoos supported the development of a stud book of lions directly descended from the King of Morocco's collection. The 5th is the Asiatic lions. The Asiatic lion's fur ranges in color from ruddy tawny, heavily speckled with black, to sandy or buffish gray, sometimes with a silvery sheen in certain lighting. Males have only moderate mane growth at the top of the head, so that their ears are always visible. The mane is scanty on the cheeks and throat, where it is only 10 centimeters long. Lions are one of the most majestic animals in the world, but that doesn't mean they are not at risk. The Asiatic lion is one such species whose numbers are dwindling, with only several hundred of the lions still surviving. The Asiatic lion, which is smaller than other lions, are only found in a very small area of the world. Color and development of manes in male lions varies between regions, among populations and with age of lions. In general, the Asiatic lion differs from the African lion by a less developed mane. The manes of most lions in ancient Greece and Asia Minor were also less developed and did not extend to below the belly. In regards to conflict with humans, until recently, the Asiatic lion population has increased to an extent that by 2015, about a third resided outside the protected area. Hence, conflict between local residents and wildlife also increased. Local people protect their crops from wild boar and other herbivores by using electrical fences that are powered with high voltage. Some consider the presence of predators a benefit, as they keep the herbivore population in check. This also has some bad ends too. Nonetheless, some also fear the lions, and killed several of them in retaliation for attacks on their livestock. And finally, the last breed of lion in this video is the liger. It might sound like something out of a fantasy movie, but ligers are real. A cross between a male lion and a female tiger. The liger is the result of man-made breeding, but because lions are from Africa and tigers are from Asia, the liger is not something usually found in nature. The liger is a hybrid offspring of a male lion and a female tiger. The liger has parents in the same genus but of different species. The liger is distinct from the similar hybrid called the tigon. The liger is the largest of all known extant member of the cat family. They enjoy swimming, which is a characteristic of tigers, and are very sociable like lions. Notably, ligers typically grow larger than either parent species, unlike tigons. Ligers tend to be larger and heavier than members of their parent species. Biologists suggest that the liger's large size results from the absence of certain growth-limiting genes in their parent. Female lions mate with several male lions throughout their lives. Hence, the genes of a male lion are adapted to maximize the growth of his offspring, since his offspring may be required to compete with those of other males produced by the same lioness. The genes of female lions, however, are adapted to cancel or dampen the effects of the growth-maximizing genes of male lions, so lions remain within a given size range. Tigers, on the other hand, have no such competitive mating strategy, and many biologists argue that tigresses do not possess the growth-limiting adaptations of their lioness counterparts. As a result, the influence of the growth-maximizing adaptations provided by male lions is greater, which allows ligers to become larger than their parents. However, for tigons, growth-limiting genes are found in both male tigers and female lions, so their offspring possess an abundance of these genes, which accounts for their smaller size. Thanks for watching. Kindly click the subscribe button, also the notification button, to get more videos on this channel. See you in the next video.